Wind advisory goes into effect at 11 o'clock this morning and will continue till the evening hours. This includes parts of southeastern Indiana, Madison, Scottsburg, North Vernon, Greensburg, and then in Kentucky, Bedford, Newcastle, and the Cynthiana area. So just be aware of that 40 to 45 mile an hour winds. And then that pink area was a red flag warning. That went off this morning on social media. And what that is a high fire danger. And we mentioned that last night on the weather update. We'll talk about severe weather ingredients here. We've got high shear, we got high forcing, we got a high-powered machine moving in today. But if you don't have the right gasoline in it, it's probably not going to go. So let's take a look and see here, because I don't think we're going to see the best gasoline as we head into tonight. You'll see dew points right now, area-wide. You see the brown colors that indicates, yeah, we don't have a lot of fuel. You got to have the green. Green means go in this scenario. You can see just a hint of green down towards, let's say, the Little Rock area into Arkansas. Those are sufficient dew points for the potential for severe weather. Outside right now, you'll see it's 57, and look at our dew point. It's at 37. Future radar, I'll show you here in just a minute. We'll compare that dew point with what's currently and what it's showing. Satellite radar shows those clouds around, and look at that system as we head off towards Iowa and Nebraska. That's the powerhouse that'll be moving into here today. And just the question is how much moisture can we pull out ahead of that to get us some severe storms here around the tri-state. You can see future radar has those dew points kind of matching up with what our map we just saw just a few seconds ago into Little Rock. And we'll watch these dew points tonight as we get around midnight to be in the upper 50s is what this model's saying. So it's matching up to what we have currently out towards the west, and this is what it shows here for later this evening. So good bet that this is where we'll be. Let me show you what it looks like on the normal radar view, and you'll see is once we get to about 5 o'clock or so, 5, 6 o'clock, we'll watch these storms out to the west developing. They'll be around the Wabash River. Once we get to about 7 east of the Indiana border, and then they'll be moving around I-65 once we head to about 9 o'clock or so. By 10 o'clock, it's moving into our western communities, including Madison, North Vernon, Greensburg, Connorsville. And then we get to about 11, you guys in Lawrenceburg, Rising Sun, VV, into parts of Hamilton, Ohio. By midnight, Florence, we're moving into Owenton, Cincinnati, into the, let's say, the Monroe areas. By 1 o'clock, it's now east into parts of Wilmington, near Hillsborough, Georgetown, Falmouth, and the Maysville area. And then we watch that line move off towards the east. We see some rain move in during your day tomorrow. That could be mixing with a little bit of snow at times, especially to the west and north of Cincinnati. And then we'll start to clear out for your Friday. Slight risk of severe storms has been issued from the Storm Prediction Center. That's for tonight. Most of southeastern Indiana included in this risk. I think everyone still has the same impacts from, let's say, 71, 75, and points off towards the west. Damaging winds and a few tornado warnings are possible with this. So you'll see this is the breakdown. Moderate chance here for the wind, hail, tornado, flood threat low, but the tornado threat is not zero as we head into tonight. So your forecast for today, I got us going up to around 71 under mostly cloudy skies with a southwesterly wind in place in parts of the area. We'll see those temperatures bounce up pretty good. 71 today. There's storm chances at night. Then as we go into Thursday, your high will be around midnight at 60 degrees. Temperatures will fall throughout the day. We'll be in the low 40s in the afternoon on Thursday. Our low will be around 36 for your first day of spring. Don't forget the tornado drill at 9:50 coming up here shortly for the you folks in Ohio. Make sure your weather radio works and practice your safety plan. And then you'll just see we're around that average mark as we head over the next several days. Temperatures in the low 50s, and we introduce a rain chance Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Make sure you download the Weather Pulse app. We'll keep you ahead of those storms as we head into tonight. It's for this week only $2.99, normally $3.99, so you can get the information you need at a cheaper rate there. All right, have a good day.